Hello, here's another AQA A-level particle topic question. If you wait to the end of the video, there'll be a link to another question in the same series. If you want to try and answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. So the gravitational force is one of the four fundamental forces. The ticks in the table match particles with other fundamental forces. In which row is the particle matched to the only other fundamental forces it experiences? So let's go down each force and see whether the particle will feel that particular force. So the electromagnetic force is going to be felt by anything that's got a charge on it. So here's a muon, we can see it's a muon, the plus means it's got a charge, so yes, it's going to feel the electromagnetic force. That's an antiproton, so P for proton and then the hat over the top of it tells us it's an antiproton. Protons have a positive charge, so an antiproton will have a negative charge, so yes, it will feel the electromagnetic force. This is a pion or a pi meson. It has no charge, so it's not going to feel the electromagnetic force because it's got no charge. This is a neutrino. Neutrinos don't have a charge, so that is correct. It won't feel the electromagnetic force. What about the weak force? Well, every particle feels the weak force. So the muon will feel the weak force. The antiproton will feel the weak force, so that box is incorrect. It should have been ticked. The pi meson will feel the weak force and the neutrino will feel the weak force, so those are correct. What about the strong nuclear force? The strong nuclear force is only felt by particles that are made of quarks, so baryons, hadrons and mesons. Well, a muon is a lepton, so it doesn't feel the strong nuclear force, so that box is correct. It's correct not being ticked. The antiproton, yeah, that is a hadron, so it will feel the strong nuclear force. Pi meson, yeah, it's made of quarks, it will feel the strong nuclear force. The electron neutrino, again, that's a lepton, it doesn't feel the strong nuclear force, so that's incorrect. That box being ticked is incorrect. So the only line where the boxes were correctly either ticked or not ticked is the one for that muon plus, so A is the correct answer. If this was useful, if you learned something, click on that subscribe button please. Give me a like, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.